Today I'm going to show you one of the quickest and easiest ways to get rid of mosquitoes and to enjoy the smell. Here's how easy it is. First, you can get yourself a cup, or if you don't want to get a cup, go ahead and just make one, okay? This is how it's free, aluminum foil. You can find that lying down on the ground, or use any kind of can. Now, so the wind doesn't blow it away, just go on the side of the street or something and get you some rocks. So what I'm going to do is take about 5 or 6 rocks and drop those right inside the cup. And the main purpose for that is so the wind doesn't take it away, or the mosquitoes. Then you take yourself some coffee. These are used coffee grounds. Actually, I've used them quite a few times. And just pour some of that right over there. Okay. Now, here's the secret accelerant. Is you take a little bit of lighter fluid. Not a lot, okay? So just a little bit just to get it going. And then you just light it. And there you go. Now what's going to happen is the lighter fluid was to get the coffee to burn a little bit. And in just a little while the fire is going to go out and it's going to smolder. And it'll stay smoldering for about 8 hours. Now, unlike us who love coffee, mosquitoes hate coffee, so they're going to take off to the neighbors. Works for pretty much any other flying insects. Now again, I said this is a way you can do something for free. I know coffee costs a lot, but drink your coffee and dry out the used coffee grounds. You could do it with new, but why not use used coffee grounds? Also, I put this on this cement block because an aluminum foil dish can get very hot, so you don't want to put it on something that can burn. So now you could either let it burn. If it's burning too long, just go. There we go. And there you go. Let me go ahead and put this up here. And look how that's smoldering. Ooh. Ooh. Ah, smells good. Makes me want to drink it again. So I hope you enjoyed my smoldering mosquito repellent. Thanks for watching. Be sure to share this with anyone you know that doesn't like them pesky skeeters. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.